Does Webull allow day trading? The realm of online trading has seen a surge in popularity, and one platform that has garnered significant attention is Webull. Known for its commission-free trading and user-friendly interface, Webull has attracted a diverse range of investors, including those who engage in day trading. However, while Webull offers many enticing features, it's crucial to understand the specific rules and regulations surrounding day trading on this platform. A surprising fact is that over 80% of day traders lose money. This statistic underscores the inherent risks associated with this high-frequency trading strategy. Day trading involves buying and selling securities within the same trading day, aiming to profit from short-term price fluctuations. While it can offer the potential for substantial returns, it also carries significant risks, including the possibility of substantial losses. Webull does permit day trading, but it's important to note that there are certain conditions and restrictions that apply. For individuals with an account balance below $25,000, there is a limit of 3-day trades per 5 business days. Exceeding this limit can result in restrictions on trading activities. This regulation is in place to protect investors from excessive risk-taking and to prevent market manipulation. For those with an account balance of $25,000 or more, there is no limit on the number of day trades that can be executed. However, it's essential to remember that even with unlimited day trading, the risks associated with this strategy remain. Factors such as market volatility, economic indicators, and individual trading skills can all influence the outcome of day trading endeavors. One of the advantages of day trading on Webull is the platform's commission-free structure. This can help reduce trading costs and potentially increase profitability. Additionally, Webull offers a range of tools and features that can be beneficial for day traders, such as real-time market data, charting capabilities, and educational resources. However, it's crucial to approach day trading with caution and a thorough understanding of the risks involved. While Webull provides a platform for engaging in this activity, it's essential to develop a sound trading strategy, manage risk effectively, and stay informed about market trends. In conclusion, Webull does allow day trading, but it's important to be aware of the specific regulations and limitations that apply. While the platform offers certain advantages, such as commission-free trading and various tools, it's crucial to approach day trading with a realistic perspective and a focus on risk management. By understanding the intricacies of day trading and leveraging Webull's features responsibly, investors can potentially capitalize on short-term market opportunities while mitigating risks.